So, I'm still here at the park. I got a little bit of daylight left. I'm gonna try to do some more practicing, and I'm just gonna record with just the action camera mounted to my hat over here. And let's see if I could actually make it around the park without busting my ass. Hopefully I could get something going. Alright. See, I don't want to go in that direction because that's concrete and gravel. And if I fall, I'm just going to fuck up my wheel even more. So I'm just going to stay along here even though it's muddy, wet grass. And we'll see how far I get. Okay, not very far. Yeah, that initial, like 2 seconds of trying to get on the wheel and get it moving, that is a pain in the ass. I'm going to try to speak loud just in case, there's wind noise and the fact that I'm wearing a mask. Oh, okay. A lot of twigs. Oh, we're good. And, okay. This is not terrible. It's cold as fuck, but it's not. Aside from that, this is pretty fun. Oh shit, I didn't see that. Okay, it handled the pothole pretty good. Now, this is probably the worst terrain for me to be on, but fuck it, trial by fire, I guess. I forgot about that. Oh shit, this is gonna be tight. Oh, Curry. Okay. Come on, we can do it. Okay. That was scary. I'm not gonna lie about that. That was scary. Okay, let's just keep going. Now, this is my first unicycle, obviously. So I don't know what the other types of wheels are like. I don't know what the ones without suspension are like. I got this one because I wanted the suspension, because I know what it's like to ride a vehicle without suspension. Alright, I guess we're going on this pavement now. Alright. We are here. Oh, let's go back in the grass so I don't bust my ass. Okay. Alright. Yeah, I felt myself getting a little shaky there, and I didn't want to fall on the concrete. Oh, no. This was a mistake. Okay. Alright, I don't know if you can see that. All of that is mud. This whole area is mud. So let's try up here. Yeah, up here should be a little bit better. Still grass. And like I said, once I get better, I'll take it off. I'll take it on the pavement. Alright, maybe over here. Yeah, this is a little too crazy for me, but we'll try. I am losing light very quickly though. How much mud is here? Let's find a path to go. Nope. Couldn't get enough momentum. Oh no, this is just wet. Alright. Okay. I'm kind of giving up here. I don't want to give up here, but I'm kind of doing it. Let's drop this here. Yeah, as you can see, I mean, eventually you kind of get used to the balancing of it when you want to put it down on the kickstand. But if you don't have a at least mostly flat surface, you're not going to be able to use the kickstand. Alright, let's get the trolley handle up here. Okay. The problem with this park is, at least right now, is that all the grassy areas are pretty much soaked. They're flooded. Like all of that over there is just a swamp at this point. Further back over there, I might be able to play around with this, but it's also a lot of gravel and big rocks. I might have to just do this and hope I don't fall, or at least hope that I don't drop the wheel so bad that it messes it up. I'm also on a little bit of an incline, so that's going to be a problem. Probably. Maybe. But fuck it, we're going to try it. If I drop it, well, what can you do? Unfortunately, I made a mistake when I bought this. I bought it new. Oh no, I cannot do it. Alright, okay. I'm wondering if downhill is better. Probably scarier, but we'll try it. So, I'm 41 right now. 41 years old. And when I was 18, actually I think it was 17, I learned how to ride a motorcycle. And I did that before learning how to drive a car. But I wasn't stupid. I didn't try to rush off and get a brand new motorcycle. I bought an old, used motorcycle that I knew I would drop and that I wouldn't care about dropping. Once I learned how to ride, then eventually I was able to get a new motorcycle. You still end up dropping them though, eventually. This is brand new, and it already looks like it's been beat up a little bit. But hopefully I don't damage it so much that it's not usable anymore. Okay. Alright, here we go. I mean, riding on the pavement is a lot smoother. And I guess going downhill is pretty good. Oh, too fast. Slow down. Here we go. Oh yeah, it almost looks like I know what I'm doing. So yeah, we're getting there. But for now I'm just gonna stick to the park and see how far I can go. Hello. Okay, I'm gonna keep this up. Oh wow. Okay, I don't know how fast I was going, but it felt pretty fast. I don't know if you guys can hear me. Let me adjust my microphone. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can hear me. There is a lot of wind, but yeah, I'm riding. It's great. Now, it is leaning to one side. I don't like that. What's going on? Yeah, it's acting funny. I'm not gonna lie. There's something going on here. It's wobbling. Why is it wobbling? Yeah, something's up. I don't know if it's because I have the air pressure really low. But it's kind of wobbly, and I don't like that. Can I go into the park again? I can. Okay, good. Now we can go through here. Nope. Don't do that. Okay. Alright. I'm not happy about the wobbling. It wasn't doing that before. Not as bad anyway. Yeah, I'm riding. This is awesome. Shit. Ooh, that was scary. That was terrifying. Okay, you obviously you don't see what I just saw, but as soon as I said this was awesome, the wheel decided it was gonna go crazy, and it started wobbling all over the place. I managed to stop it. Not sure how, but I did. So yeah, I need to figure out what's going on with that wobble, because that's a little terrifying, and I'm not even going that fast. Alright, let's see if I can get out of here without... Okay, okay. Alright, we're doing it. But I need to control the speed because right now this wheel is, I don't know. I don't know, I can't explain what's happening other than it's just wobbling, like back and forth. I don't know if it's going to show up on camera. Like, are you going to be able to see it? But yeah, it is very, very unstable. Like, every so often, it feels like half of it wants to go one direction, half of it wants to go the other direction. Oh shit, oh shit, I didn't think about this. I did not think about this. Okay, okay. We're okay. We're okay. We're okay. Alright, there we go. I didn't realize or didn't remember that there was a bit of a hill there. But I'm doing okay. I'm doing okay. So far so good, I guess. So I haven't hurt myself yet. That's one thing. And as long as I keep it at this speed, I can keep it under control, somewhat. But again, that wobble, I don't know why that is happening. And I really hope, mainly I hope it's just because the wheel is, the air pressure is kind of low. So if it's that, then it's just a matter of putting more air in it and it should be okay. But if it's not that, if it's something I'm doing, hopefully you guys can tell me. And somebody in the comments can tell me what I'm doing wrong and how to fix it. Assuming, of course, you guys can actually hear what I'm saying. But so far, I've completed just about another loop of the park. That's awesome. That is really awesome. Oh, there's a dog. Hopefully you don't chase me. Come on. Oh, what a well-behaved dog. I'm sorry, I judged him. Yeah, this is the same spot that it started wobbling. This is a very nicely paved, almost new paved road. So I don't understand why it's drifting. It's almost like it has a bad wheel alignment. Like on a car, like the wheel alignment is off, so it's trying to drift to one side or the other. I don't like it. I don't understand why it's doing that. Now it's going that way. It did that before. So I don't know if it has something to do with the road, but at the exact same spot, it was kind of pulling me towards the left. I don't understand that. Alright, I think this is going to be the last loop because my feet are frozen. I didn't think this through. And, wobble, wobble, wobble. No. Okay, grass and stop. Shit, no. Okay, I almost busted my ass, but I didn't. Thank you for that. I tried to jump off and my foot got caught, so that's not good. Alright, let's see if I can make it to the car. Alright. Now we're on pavement again. That's not too bad. I'm getting it. I'm actually getting it. But yeah, this is so far how much I've been able to do. This is as far as I've been able to go, which is much farther than I've done before. But I'm definitely not confident enough to start riding in the street. But it is also very cold, and all of a sudden now there's a shit ton of people here, so I'm gonna get ready to go. Not sure why there's so many people here. And Okay. And we're good. Okay, so as you can see, I'm running out of daylight, and it's already really cold. I'm going home. So if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you want to see more, subscribe. And with any luck, I'll see you in the next video. And until then, take care.